Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Net SDK and editor, and EF Core if using a database. Once done, add system. Link via using directives and install EF Core packages. Make sure your DB context is registered in startup or program. Create a simple model and seed a few records to query. Now open your controller or service and write your first link query. Use iQueryable when deferring execution, and prefer method syntax for readability. You now compose queries. Chain where, select, order by, and group by to shape results. Method syntax is concise and expressive. Once composed, keep the expression as iQueryable to let EF Core translate it into SQL. This avoids fetching whole tables. When you need specific fields, project to DTOs to minimize payload and prevent lazy loading surprises. For production, call to list async or first or default async to execute. Make sure to await and catch exceptions from the database layer. You finish by optimizing. Add as no tracking for read-only queries, implement skip/take for paging, and ensure critical columns have indexes. Once integrated, enable EF Core SQL logging to verify the generated queries. This helps catch client-side evaluation or inefficient joins. If results are incorrect, inspect null propagation and expression translation. Some C hash methods don't translate to SQL. If needed, materialize earlier or use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.